Discovering the deep meaning of BTS? BTS, also known as the Bangtan Boys, is a South Korean boy band that has become a global phenomenon in the world of music and entertainment. Formed by Big Hit Entertainment, the group made its debut in 2013 and consists of 7 members: RM, Jin, Suga, J-Hope, Jimin, V, and Jungkook. BTS's name, Bangtan Sonyeondan, translates to Bulletproof Boy Scouts in English, but it is also commonly known as Beyond the Scene in an effort to embrace a more inclusive, global image. BTS's rise to international stardom has been nothing short of extraordinary, and their impact goes far beyond music. We will delve into the multifaceted world of BTS, covering their history, music, influence, achievements, and the broader cultural and social significance they represent. The formation of BTS, Bangtan Boys. BTS was formed through a rigorous audition process, where each member was selected for their unique talents and potential. They trained together under the guidance of Big Hit Entertainment, honing their skills in singing, rapping, dancing, and songwriting. The members include RM, Rap Monster, the leader and one of the main rappers. RM is known for his deep lyrics and poetic rap style. He is fluent in English and has played a significant role in BTS's global expansion. Jin, as the oldest member, Jin is a vocalist known for his bright personality and strong vocal abilities. Suga, another main rapper, Suga is recognized for his raw and introspective lyrics. He is also a skilled producer and composer. J-Hope is the main dancer and another rapper, celebrated for his high-energy performances and positivity. Jimin is a versatile performer and vocalist known for his impressive dance skills and expressive stage presence. V is known for his unique and soulful voice. He is also an actor who has ventured into the world of K-drama. Jungkook, the youngest member, Jungkook is a powerful vocalist, exceptional dancer, and multi-talented performer. Musical journey and discography. BTS's music spans a wide range of genres, including hip-hop, pop, R&B, and more. They have released multiple albums and have a discography that continues to grow. Some of their most notable albums and songs include Dark and Wild, 2014, BTS's first full-length album featured tracks like Danger and War of Hormone. The Most Beautiful Moment in Life, PT. 1 Inch, 2015, this album introduced the Hua Yang Yan Hua series and featured hits like I Need You. The Most Beautiful Moment in Life, PT. 2 Inches, 2015, this album included tracks like Run and Dope. Wings, 2016, known for the hit Blood, Sweat and Tears, this album explored themes of temptation and growth. Love Yourself series, 2017 to 2018, this series, which included albums like Love Yourself, Her and Love Yourself, Tear, tackled themes of self-love and acceptance. Map of the Soul series, 2019 to 2020, the Map of the Soul series, including albums like Map of the Soul, Persona and Map of the Soul, 7, delves into themes of psychology and identity. B, 2020, released during the COVID-19 pandemic, B reflects the emotions and experiences of the time. Permission to Dance, 2021, this song became an anthem of hope during the pandemic. BTS's music often incorporates socially relevant themes, introspective lyrics, and messages messages of self-empowerment, love, and unity. Their songs have resonated with a global audience and have been praised for their authenticity and emotional depth. Global impact and achievements. BTS's impact extends far beyond their music. They have achieved numerous milestones and accolades, such as Billboard success. BTS has topped the Billboard 200 chart multiple times, with albums like Love Yourself, Tear and Map of the Soul, 7. They have also achieved chart-topping singles, including Dynamite. Grammy nominations. BTS received their first Grammy nomination in 2021 for Dynamite and have continued to make waves in the global music industry. Record-breaking MVs. Their music videos have broken records on platforms like YouTube, with billions of views for hits like Dope, Boy with Love, and Dynamite. Social media presence. BTS has a massive and engaged fanbase on social media platforms, particularly Twitter. They often use their influence for social and philanthropic causes. UN speech. RM addressed the United Nations in 2018, emphasizing the importance of self-love and self-acceptance. Cultural diplomacy. BTS is often seen as cultural ambassadors, promoting Korean culture and language worldwide. Merchandise and collaborations. BTS has launched successful merchandise lines and collaborated with brands like Puma, Samsung, and McDonald's. Social and cultural significance. BTS's influence goes beyond music and entertainment. They have had a significant impact on society and culture, including representation. BTS has challenged stereotypes and provided representation for Asians and Asian Americans in the global entertainment industry. Youth empowerment. Their music and messages resonate with young people, encouraging self-love, pursuing dreams, and overcoming challenges. Mental health. BTS has openly discussed mental health and self-acceptance, helping to reduce stigma and raise awareness. Global fandom. The BTS Army, their dedicated fanbase, is known for its positive and supportive culture. Korean wave. Hallyu. BTS is a major force in the global popularity of K-pop, contributing to the spread of Korean culture. Language learning. BTS's music has motivated people to learn the Korean language. Humanitarian efforts. The group and their fans engage in charitable and humanitarian initiatives. Conclusion.